So just give me a second. I'm going to share my whole screen with you, and right now you will be able to see a Corel Draw window. So whenever we are going to open a Corel Draw, we are going to get this window. By default, it's a purchase version, but if you want, you can skip it, means you can close on it. No need of any purchase version for our certificate course. So what you're going to require when you're going to open the Corel Draw, this is the window which you're going to see. When you're going to click on this Get Started, okay, remember this panel, Get Started, workspace is there. Like all other IDE, Integrated Development Environment, you have to click on plus in order to open a new document. So whenever we click on plus, we are able to see this page. So in this page, you will be able to rename the file. By default, it is untitled, and here you are going to change it. Now, how many pages you want to create? What print color format mode you want, whether you want it like RGB or CMYK, that you are going to decide. Now, you all know that using Corel Draw, we can design a birthday card or any envelope kind of thing. So you will be able to see lots of page sizes are available like A4, A5. Here you will be able to see a business card. Then I think envelope will also be there. So here you will be able to see envelope 9, hash 9, 10, 14. So different types of envelope options are also there. uh, uh, and then you are going to click on this OK by setting the resolution, how you want the orientation, that is whether you want it vertically or horizontally, and then click on OK. So this is the page which we are going to refer. We are going to name it, decide the mode, decide number of pages, then width and height of your page, selected page size can be A4, A3, envelope, and then orientation of your page, whether you want it like horizontal or whether you want it like vertical. Both the options are with you. Resolution you're going to decide, and then click on OK, and one blank window will be open, and there we are going to focus on all these options. Okay, so ये सब option तुम्हें check करने हैं. For that, what you can do, I'm going to share a PPT with you. There I have clicked on each one of these option. So for example, let me show you that PPT also. I'm skipping some part of it because I want to show you that how I have kept it. So here you can see, you will be able to see that this is the screenshot of Corel Draw. No need of any software to be present on your PC. You will be able to see this page, zoom it, check and explore all the options. On the left hand side you will be able to see the all disabled options. जितने भी disabled option दिख रहे हैं, these belongs to all the different tools. इसे docker भी कहते हैं. What it is called as docker. Now on the right hand side, जो भी object तुम choose करोगे उसके लिए object के खुद के properties रहते हैं, उसको तुम transform कर सकते हो. You can add some scripts to it and you can add color to it. By default, when you go to click on this color, you will be able to see a vertical lines, two lines, 2-3 lines, जो decide करेंगे front color क्या हो सकता है and the back color will be what. Okay, so open a document, new from, template, these options, try to explore all these options. Now this is the first page, and then I have focused on only this, like where you will find transform and what is this transform stands for. So transform is nothing but whenever you want to move any object, whenever you want to increase or decrease the size of any object, whenever you want to rotate any object, whenever you want to change the shape of object, then you require this transformations. So this is transform. Then next one, this is the page where you will be able to see the history, means what you have created. CDR is the extension for any Corel Draw file. So here we are able to see हमने Pikachu देखा, how to create it. Then birthday cards, 2-3 options are there. Just keep. Now is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we are going to focus only on the things which will be asked in exam. So here you will be able to see that pick. This black color arrow indicate that whenever you want to select any object. So on your page, if 3-4 objects are there and you want to select one of them, then this pick will help you. Freehand, if out of the circle you want to cut some part of it like semi-sphere or some artistic shape you want to cut, then you can make use of this freehand pick. Okay, free transform is like that only. If you want to freely rotate it, not exactly to 90-45 degree, then you can make use of it. Then this one is next one, that is shape. If you remember, we are going to draw one rectangle, and if I'm going to select that rectangle and if I'm going to click on the shape, then it's going to give me exactly those many control points. And if I'm going to move these control points, I will be able to make that rectangle which is having a 90-degree angle, corner rectangle will be converted into a rounded rectangle where you can soften the edges of all the shapes. So same thing you can do with circle, then trapezium, square, rectangle, all those things. This shape will help you to adjust all those control points. Smooth will help you in order to make the edges soften. ये हमने कहाँ पे use किया था? Smooth Pikachu में use किया था. So if you have already drawn a head and it is a little bit jerky and you want to give a smooth effect, then choose this smooth and you will be able to adjust it. तो वो curve खुद automatically adjust करके लेगा. Smear and twirl we have seen जब हमने first time वो कोरोना वायरस ड्रॉ किया था. If you want to give a twirl kind of twist to any shape, then it will help you. Exactly ऐसे ही वो shape draw होता है. Then the next one is, from these points we have seen B-spline curve. Okay, lots of curves are there. Bezier curve is there, freehand is there, 2-point line is there, plane is there, B-spline curve is there. तो ये जो 3-point curve है ना, वो तो सिर्फ तुम्हें rectangle triangle उसमें अगर exactly उसको और छोटा बड़ा करना है शेप को, you want to convert it, then this will help you. लेकिन हमें लगता है ये, that is B-spline curve. Using single B-spline curve we have drawn the whole Pikachu. So starting से लेके ending तक हमें सिर्फ B-spline curve ने ही help किया है. जिन लोगों का आर्ट अच्छा है, जिन लोगों को फ्री हैंड ड्राइंग अच्छा लगता है, you want to take a pencil and you want to draw it, then you can make use of this free hand. Okay, observe all the shortcuts. So for freehand, the shortcut is F5. For light sketch, the shortcut is S. For smart drawing, the shortcut is Shift S. I know that I am explaining very little from this Corel Draw, बट जितना हमें सिलेबस में है उतना ही हम देखेंगे. और अगर किसी को इंटरेस्ट है, देन आई विल शेयर द डिफरेंट बुक्स विथ यू and you will be able to explore these things to a great level. ये rectangle है, so focus on this. So this is rectangle and 3D point rectangle. ये 3D point rectangle ना actually ये तीनों जो sides है उनको fix करके एक ही side से तुम्हें stretch करने की ability देता है. So for rectangle what is the shortcut key? It is F6. Question बहुत easy रहेंगे. It will be like shortcuts to all the different you can say dockers जो हम देख रहे हैं उनके लिए. So for polygon impact tool we have seen. अभी जो yesterday मैंने YouTube का वीडियो भेजा है लिंक अपडेटेड बर्थडे कार्ड 2 एंड एक और है फ्रेम डिजाइनिंग, उसमें हमने impact tool का यूज किया है. So impact tool is like just give me a second ना, मैं तुम्हें दिखाती हूँ. Will I be able to show? ओके थैंक यू. तो अभी इसमें हमें क्या करना पता है, इम्पैक्ट टूल. सो हियर यू कैन सी पॉलीगॉन के अंडर है इम्पैक्ट टूल. और अगर ये मैंने किसी भी एक एज पकड़ के उसको
शेअर करणार आहात का?
हो करणार. कोरल ड्रॉ यूट्यूब व्हिडिओ असं म्हणून लिहिलंय मी, तर त्याच्या बरोबर अजून एक मटेरियल शेअर करेल, कोरल ड्रॉ पीपीटी. आणि मग त्याच्यामध्ये जितक्या पीपीटीज बनतील, मला वाटतंय 2 तरी अजून होतील, तर त्या मग असं होत असेल तर तुम्ही काय करा, इथे मला ट्रायल एक्सपायर्ड दिसेल ना तुमचं, मग तुम्ही काय करायचं, जे काय कराल तुम्ही त्याचा स्क्रीनशॉट काढा ना, अलग लक्षात. प्रिंट स्क्रीन
ओके मॅम.
हा. आणि काय करा, इथे टेक्स्ट बॉक्स होतो ना, इथे वरती येतो बघा, टेक्स्ट लिहिता येतं आपल्याला, ए म्हणून येतं, आता ए पीपीटी आहे, इथे इथे बघा ए आहे ना, त्याच्यावर क्लिक करा, म्हणजे तुम्हाला इथे तुमचं नाव टाकता येईल वरती, आणि त्याचा स्क्रीनशॉट काढा, झालं काम.
ओके मॅम.
जे सेकंड बर्थडे कार्ड आहे, दॅट लिंक विच आय हॅव शेअर्ड, इट कंटेन्स द यूज ऑफ नाईफ. ना नाईफ कधी यूज करतात माहिती आहे, इफ सपोज दिस इज द शेप, अँड जे आता तुम्हाला व्हाईट कलर मध्ये द शेप विच यू आर एबल टू सी, इफ आय वॉन्ट टू कट इट लाईक दिस, I want to cut it diagonally, or I want to cut it like this, like tilted line and then the horizontal line, and I want to keep only the upper part of it, then you can make use of knife. So exactly like a knife, you are going to move your knife, and the image will be bifurcated, so it depends on you which part you want to keep, the other part you can delete. So that we have made used in the second birthday card. And you are going to remember this plus sign, okay, in the Docker, and that plus sign indicate that if some options are not visible over here, then you will be able to open them and you will be able to see them. And this is, we have seen already, it's called welding. So welding, when to weld two object, when you want to weld two object, then what you can do, draw one object, draw another object using pick tool, select both the object, you will be able to see all these options. And here from the first option, it is called welding, click on it, and you will be able to see that it's going to weld and it's going to form a one object out of it. So दोन object के एक ऑब्जेक्ट बन जाएगा, ऐसे हो जाएगा, एंड देन यू विल बी एबल टू अप्लाई एनी कलर टू इट, शेडिंग वगैरह जो भी करना है कर सकते हो उसको. सो अभी हम देखेंगे सम ऑफ द शॉर्टकट कीज. यू आर गोइंग टू रिमेंबर दिस कीवर्ड्स एंड व्हाट इज द शॉर्टकट की ऑफ इट. So for contour, what is the shortcut key? Control F9. What is mean by contour? हमने एक बार देखा था. Within a rectangle, if you are able to draw 2, 3, 4, 5 rectangles, it's called as contour. So keeping the center common and you are redrawing the same object more than once, then it is called as contour. After explaining all these shortcut keys, I will be able to show you in the Corel Draw also what is this contour. Position. So whenever you want to, from the Docker window, you want to open the position part, then you can press Alt F7. If you want to rotate any object, you can press Alt F8. If you want to open, assign the page size, instead of A4 or A3, you want to make it like envelope, then you can press Control F7. If you want to see that zoom in and zoom out, that is lens, then the shortcut key is Alt F3. Then next one is, if you want to open that graphic text style means what? Bold, italic, underline. Then the shortcut key is Control F5. Linear dimensions, if you want to open the linear dimensions, means what? Actually this is amazing feature, means we are going to keep one shape over here, the other is over here, other is over here. Using pick, select all the three objects and then simply press Alt F2 and it will align it in a single line. तो एक लाइन के जैसे डायमेंशनली वो उसको एडजस्ट करता है. Size, if you want to play with the size of any object, then Alt F10. If you want to scale it and mirror it, so size and scale mirror is from transform, and for scale and mirror the shortcut is Alt F9. Remember only these many shortcuts to Corel Draw. Actually, I want to show you that. I will press Ctrl Z because I want to clear all these windows. And what we are going to do now, instead of this much, we'll keep it 100%. Okay, so now we are able to see here is one rectangle. Oh, I have zoomed it again. So this is a rectangle which we have drawn right now, and I want to show you that contour part, how you can do it. So from rectangle, take a rectangle, draw that rectangle, and here under the blend you will be able to find out contour. Click on contour and click it over here. मैंने पिकअप किया था क्या नहीं? I will see here. So right now I am drawing the contour. You will get a feel of illusion. Illusion के जैसे दिखेगा तुम्हें. And if you want to adjust its size and height, you can. वो उसको equally distance के साथ place कर देता है. तो जितने भी optical illusions रहते हैं ना, for those all optical illusions, this will help you. Now, तुम्हें लगा होगा कि कैसे fix किया the size, कितने shapes बनने चाहिए rectangle के. So here you are able to see that I want to create contour step as 4. Now you can increase it if you want to make it like 5. I am increasing it, so 5, 5, 5, and now it is not increasing it. Why? Because uniformly it's going to distribute. So after a particular point it will say that stop. इससे ज़्यादा हम contour उसका बना नहीं सकते. So using circle you can create all these contours. So ये सब तुम बना सकते हो and it's an amazing thing. So दिखता कैसे है ये option? ऐसे दिखता है. Within one you will be able to see a series of all those same objects. So that is contour. So that's it for today's lecture which I want to show you. If you have any doubt regarding